Hello everybody and welcome back to the Rich Life. Today we're making grilled pound cake with mixed berries and fresh whipped cream. This is a super simple summer dessert that you will love. And one of the things that makes it so much easier is that I'm using store-bought pound cake, all right? I'm taking the advice from one of my very good chef friends, Chef Padua Player, who is a celebrity pastry chef. And he's always like, Richie, for this recipe, use store-bought pound cake, because guess what? No one is going to tell. We're grilling it and we're using our fresh whipped cream and our mixed berries, and it all comes together so perfectly, so you don't have to worry about making your pound cake from scratch, okay? So in addition to your pound cake, again, whatever you decide to use, we're going to use about 1 cup of each of your favorite berries. I used blueberries, blackberries, and strawberries. You can mix that up however you like. And then we're going to use a bit of sugar to make a syrup for our berries. And then for our whipped cream, we're going to use heavy whipping cream, lemon, we're going to use lemon zest and lemon juice, vanilla extract, and agave nectar. Now, lots of people use sugar for this recipe. That's totally up to you. I prefer to use agave nectar, so again, use what you like. So the first thing we want to do is make our whipped cream so that it has time to chill. Now, all we're going to do for this recipe, and by the way, this is so much better than any whipped cream you'll ever buy from the store. Once you try this, I promise you, you'll never want to buy the store-bought stuff again. Pound cake is okay, but whipped cream, you gotta make your own. So we're just going to add all of our ingredients and we're going to whip it until we start to see nice, pretty waves. And because we're using lemon juice in this recipe, it's not gonna take that long. Once your whipped cream is all done, you're gonna put it in the fridge and let it chill for about 15 to 30 minutes while you're preparing all of the rest of the ingredients. For my pound cake, I started by cutting it into thick slices, about 3/4 of an inch, and then I buttered it on each side with softened butter, and I'm gonna put it in my grill pan just for a couple minutes on each side over medium-high heat until I start to see those pretty grill lines. Now that our grilled pound cake with mixed berries and fresh whipped cream is all done, it's time to try it. And since you guys can't be here right now, I'm going to try it for all of us. The most important thing is that when you take your bite, make sure you get all of the pieces on your fork. So that means the pound cake, the berries, and the whipped cream. You are going to love this. It is so good, so refreshing, so perfect for the summer, and so easy. And again, I have my friend Padua Player, also known as Sugar Chef, to thank for encouraging me to use a store-bought pound cake. You can totally use your own, whatever your favorite recipe is, or you can buy it like I did and still love it, all right? So I hope you try it, I hope you subscribe too, and I hope you let me know how it goes. Until next time, take care everybody.